Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the most common transmission fluid leak. Let's get started. So you're looking at the Mercedes transmission 13-pin connector adapter plug, and inside is a 7mm bolt head. On the outside you're looking at the two O-rings. These O-rings are usually what fail on this device, and changing those out will solve the problem, but it's nice to just change the whole plug out, because sometimes this whole transmission plug with the 13-pin connector can fail with the handle what I'm turning right now. That usually cracks and breaks as well over time, so it's nice to just change the whole piece out. There's that 7mm bolt head right there. You will use that to disengage it from the transmission. If you'd like to get this part, links are down in the description below. Make sure you practice safety by having wheel locks in place. For additional safety, instead of using jack stands and a jack, I have these ramps, much safer than jacking the car up. So the first thing we'll need to do is locate the transmission plug, and this is the passenger side. So we go under and locate the transmission pan. There's a transmission pan right there, and then we look and we see these two bolts at the top right of the pan with the protective plate. So the rightmost bolt is connecting and holding in place that protective plate that we will now need to remove, and that's a Torx T30. Then we go ahead and remove that protective shield plate, just to hold the clip in place, but just wiggle it around a little bit and it will come loose. Once that's done, move it off to the side, and that will expose the culprit, the leaky electrical connection right there. Pop that off, put that in a safe spot, and then once you pop it off, then get this out of the way so you can see. I'm just doing this by hand, you guys. I don't like to put tools on here. Push it back and forth. A lot of sand, a lot of dirt. I want to just work it loose. Still working loose the and then once it's down like this, now we can pop out the electrical. There's going to be some transmission fluid that's going to come out. Alright, using a 7mm, we're going to remove that 7mm bolt. Remember, this bolt won't come all the way out of the housing, but it'll come loose. And it's loose. So now we can go ahead and remove the old unit. Notice how the old unit came out with both O-rings intact. Sometimes you have to pull out one of the O-rings because it may get stuck inside. Alright guys, so this O-ring here did not come with the replacement kit, and I think that's bad. I guess we have to ask the parts department whenever we go there that anything that we're getting, we need additional parts. So I am going to change this O-ring out. So what we're going to now then do is we're going to put this in place, and remember the position. When you're putting it in, you want it to be, once it's in and locked, it'll be up like this, and when it's unlocked, it's down like this, and when it's down like this, you then insert it into the hole. All right, let's do this again. Put this in. When it goes in one way, you find that groove, then you just push it in, press it in. Those O-rings make it kind of difficult to go in, but you want it to be tight. Force it in, press it in. Seat it properly. Make the transmission stop its leak. And then we hit it with the 7mm. Now we're going to put in the electronics. Alright, so let's put this in all the way to the hook at the top when it fits one way. Clips in place. Then we're going to take this, cover it. Next, we take the plate with the Torx 30 and replace it back to protect that harness. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.